Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Jaguar I Pace. First of all, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, we'll watch out at the bottom here, over to your telephone here. Tap to connect phone. There's nothing connected in here at the moment, so tap to connect phone. You see there John's phone, Warwick's and so on. Pair new device. So we'll click there. Use your device to search for Jaguar I Pace. So we're waiting for it to come up here. Jaguar I Pace. Click on Jaguar I Pace. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro 42663. Well, it does. So pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. So there we go. We'll just go onto phone. Barry's iPhone there. That's it. That's how you pair it.